こんにちは. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the P sound as in pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Campanas Japanese. The P sound is the voiceless version of the B sound. If you haven't watched the video yet, the link in the description. This sound is called the voiceless bilabial stop. Voiceless means your vocal cords here do not vibrate when you make this sound. Bilabial means both lips. So when you make this sound, you close your lips and your tongue just rests at the bottom of your mouth, being relaxed. The P sound as in P is a little different since P is followed by the E vowel. To make this sound, you close your lips and you make the tongue portion of the E vowel. And stop means you first stop the airflow at the lips, and then you make a sudden release of the air. P, p, p. Let's practice pronouncing papi pupe po. Connect the P sound with a, I, u, e, o. Repeat with me. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing papi pu pe po using some real words. Repeat with me. 失敗失敗鉛筆鉛筆切符切符合併合併尻尾尻尾 Hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for it to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。